This is the Fairytale swag kit. This kit is only 38 bucks and the bow is separate optional. This is going to be built on the wrapped twig spray, a favorite cream colored bendy vine, with a mini ranunculus and sage bundle, beautiful soft apricot and lavender colors. And we're going to use 2 of our favorite lavender clematis sprays. And today we're going to show it with an optional bow, the lavender wish bow, if you would like it to coordinate with the wreath.
Okay, just like with one of our other stems, I am taking the perfectly straight stem, and instead of cutting it off, we're giving it a spiral. The reason being, these are paper wrap stems. They're best for use indoors. If you cut the paper wrap stem, you're going to be obligated to do something to the end so that it doesn't unravel. And then there are 3 basic sections, the center coming down here, and then 2 little wingy sides that we're going to use to loop back into our design. You simply lay that one flat and shape your spray with a couple of the ferns and a couple of the flowers heading upwards. So I'm just going to let the stem go towards me. I'm going to lay back a long fern. I'm going to fan out some of these stems, open it up so that I can lay in the last little flower spray. The clematis spray goes in next. We're stacking up the stems up here to create the hanger at the top. In fact, that little circle loop can form the hanger. And then your clematis stems, which got cut shorter, are gonna lay in place staggered, one bloom higher than the other. Whoops, I might have cut this one longer to do that. There we go. This is the perfect color accent to go with that spray. Picking up the lavender, that's just a touch of the background spray. And then we're gonna get some wire on there to make sure we secure all those stems together. So I'm placing a wire across all the stems right about in the middle here. If you can see where I'm at, I am right here on my design. And we're gonna use a pliers to tighten that up. There we go. And then I'm actually going to drop it down about 1 inch and make one more with the tail of my wire, one more little tight twist so that it's kind of got 2 areas of wire keeping things from spinning apart. They're about 1 inch apart in the wire sections. Just want to ensure you get all the clematis is most likely to be the item that would fall out if anything were to wiggle itself free, so that's what you want to watch for. And then when that's in place, you can pull your stems back together, kind of mix them back into the middle, and our winging out pieces of the wrapped twig, they just need to pull back to the middle here, like this and like this. You just have to figure out, do you like them directly across from each other, making a loop like so? Do you like one up and one down? Wherever you decide they need to go, you just use the stem itself to twist it around the base and secure it. It's like a giant wire itself. So you just find one end, connect it, and loop the stems together.
You make it look easy.
I'm making it look easy. It's a little hard to describe that I'm just securing it with its own wire around back to the base. I'm leaving mine sort of offset so that I have a spot right in the middle here that I would like to see my bow going. This is one of the bows that could work. I think you could also choose to go more pinky peach if you like. This bow is a multi-strand bow called the First Day of Spring bow. Equally nice with it, First Day of Spring. And you could also use, I had one more new one. And which one you like. This is just a combo of only 2 colors. This is called the Peach Daisies bow. And if that doesn't trip your trigger, we're gonna go back to the lavender idea. This is the new one I designed for the live, so I essentially designed it for these looks today. And that's all you have to do. It can hang from the loop you created, or you can continue to form a hanger out of the bow wire that comes with the bow.
beautiful, easy swag kit.